Unlocking the meaning of lecture buddy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, lecture buddy. Whether you're in a classroom setting or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and decode it together. A lecture buddy refers to a person who joins you in attending a lecture or class. This could be a friend, classmate, or a peer who shares the same interest in the subject matter. Having a lecture buddy can make learning more enjoyable and the overall experience more engaging. Having a lecture buddy comes with several advantages. For starters, it's always great to have someone to discuss topics with after the class. A lecture buddy can also keep you motivated and accountable. Plus, it's an excellent opportunity to share notes and insights, making sure you both don't miss out on any important information. Being a good lecture buddy means more than just showing up to class together. It involves active collaboration and mutual support. This means sharing resources, helping each other understand difficult concepts, and sometimes, being the moral support on those days when one of you just isn't feeling up to it. We hope this video has shed some light on what a lecture buddy is and the positive impact they can have on your educational journey. Remember, a lecture buddy is not just a classmate, but a partner in learning. So go ahead, find your lecture buddy, and make the most out of your learning experiences together. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.